My name is Henry. I'm UNE's online learning specialist, and I've created a tutorial for students to access Google Sites and ultimately how to create a Google site once they are there. Look for another tutorial which will explain to you how to edit your site once the site has been created. Thank you. Okay, so the first thing I do to create a Google site is I need to open up my web browser and get to Google Sites. So go ahead and open up your browser, type google.com, and you've got two options from here. You can go from more down to sites, or if you don't make it to Google, you can get from any search engine. Just type in Google Sites, and there it is, sites.google.com. Okay, here we're going to want to sign in with our entire UNE address, and this is important because these are the people that are going to be viewing your website. You're going to make it available to the UNE community. So you sign in with UNE, and if you look here on the left, this is a menu of websites that I've created or websites that I'm a part of, and up here is where we create a new site. But before we do that, I want you to look at something real quick. Browse sites within une.edu. This is a larger menu, bunch of categories that UNE community has made. Something interesting maybe you to look through. Might be something that pertains to you or from your department. Alright, so I go back to my menu after I signed in. I want to create new site. And this is basically the page to create your site. Name your site. This is important because you don't want to have to change it. It's very difficult to change your site, the name of your site. So let's call this Moser MSW 514. Okay, I want to choose a theme. Let's go with the branches. And this is more important down here though, more options. Right here, collaborate with everybody at UNE, only people I can specify, or anyone in the world. I would recommend you put only people I specify because most of you have to create this for a course, and it's between you, a couple of students, and possibly faculty members. So I would just do that one right there. And we hit create site, and here it is. Here's my branches, Moser MSW 514. Up here is how I create pages within the page, edit the pages, which I will show you in the next tutorial. Or look here though, real quick, I want you to look at more actions, sharing and permissions. And sharing and permissions is where you're going to type in the people's names who you're going to share with. So for instance, my faculty member is Dr. McClellan. I'll type in Tom McClellan, and I'm going to say that he can edit this. I can say he's the owner, he can edit, or he can just view. We're going to say he can edit. And I'm going to share and save. However, this time I'm not going to do that because Dr. McClellan will get an email from me saying that I've invited him to be a part of my website, which all of the faculty members will get from you. So return to site, and there it is. So next tutorial we'll talk about how to edit and create pages within this page.